Hello traders, and welcome to the third video in my Fibonacci trading series. So in the first video of this Fibonacci trading series, we went over what are Fibonacci retracements and how to use them simply. In the second video, we talked about overlapping Fibonacci's, where you can isolate a trend and find a main Fibonacci retracement, and then also a secondary Fibonacci retracement for the perfect entry level. Today we're going to be talking about Fibonacci extensions. And basically what these are is what to do and how to set a profit target. For example, if you see price make this kind of movement and you're here off of a Fibonacci retracement, let's say you bought off of the 61.8 retracement, as you can see right here, that would have been a good buy right here, and you would have caught all this. Then where do you set your profits? Because a lot of traders had asked me, okay, so when I buy into a Fibonacci retracement, how do I know when to get out of the trade? And that is exactly what today's video is going to go over. So what you need to do first after you buy into your retracement of the uptrend is to draw a Fibonacci extension. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this downward move right here in any trend, in any uptrend. So we go up, and then when we go down, we're going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low. And then from here, you're going to want to look at those Fibonacci extension points. And you can see that this includes the 127.2 and the 161.8% extension. And if you had set your profit target for exactly 2958.47, you would have been perfectly filled right here. As you can see, that would have hit, and then you would have missed all this downside when it went back to support. So do you know when to sell the 127.2 retracement or the 161.8? That is up to you as a trader. Usually what I like to do is to plot these Fibonacci extensions and to also make a price alert for these. For example, if I had bought into this around here, I would set a price alert here and here. That would just remind me when these levels were hit. And if I see some major resistance at these levels, I will just exit the trade immediately, because these are very strong Fibonacci retracement extension levels. So if I had seen that these tails had formed and I did not put a sell order here, I would just get out of this trade. I wouldn't find any reason really to be in it after we had touched the 161.8 retracement. So this is one example in how to use it and how to target the 127.2 and the 161.8% retracement. And that is how you can set your profit target for an uptrend and how to try to get out at the most efficient price possible. So now we're going to go over another example, except in this one, and this is much more current. As you can see, both charts that I've shown you guys so far have been Bitcoin. And as you can see, there's been a fantastic rise in Bitcoin lately. So again, if you were here at this spot and then you had seen that this retraced around 61.8%-ish, right around here, and then you bought and you were looking to set a profit target. Well, again, we would simply draw our Fibonacci extensions by just drawing from the high to the low of this retracement. And then we would see that the 127 and the 161.8 actually did not have too much resistance at the time being. So in this case, what you'd actually want to do is to sell at the 261.8% retracement. So I've shown you guys a new window. As you can see here, this is exactly what I've mentioned. You have your first point, your second point, your third point, and you draw it from here to here. That's your Fibonacci. And you want to target the 127.2 here, the 161.8, and the 261.8. Unfortunately, CryptoWatch, as you can see, does not plot the 261.8% retracement. They don't want too much clutter on your graphs. It'd be nice if they did show that. But if you had actually calculated the 261.8% retracement, it would actually be 3414. Which would have been perfect, because that 261.8% retracement was right here, 34.14 right here, and was perfectly resisted, with price only missing it by $3. So again, to summarize it, if you want to find a place where you can sell and exit an uptrend at a good spot to set a profit target, you want to first buy into the retracement, like I've gone into my first two videos, and then you want to go into step 3, which is what we've gone over today, which is to draw this Fibonacci retracement, and then to buy at a 161 point, to sell at a 161.8%, a 127.2, or 261.8% extension of that move. Yes, you will need to calculate the 261.8% retracement, but all you need to do is just this number minus this number times 2.618 plus this. And I know that might sound like a lot of work, but I think it's really worth it to just calculate that and then to just set a price alert for around that. Put a price alert exactly where that 261.8 is so that you know when you're trading where those levels are and how you can respond to them accordingly. So again, this has just been another quick video on Fibonacci trading and how to set profit targets. Thank you guys for watching, and leave any questions you have in the comments.